Hi, my name is Jason Jenkins with the DVEstore, and our brand is StudioMatic. Okay, so I'm here today at InfoComm 22 with the One Button Studio Pro. So this is a kit that is everything you need to turn a small room into an automated presentation recording system. So when you come into the room, what you'll see is this system and the instructions up on screen. Push the session launch button to begin. Here's our control panel. So we hit the button, and what this does is it turns all of our lights on. We've got two studio lights up here, you can see on the truss, and it turns our green screen system on as well. And then you load your PowerPoint or your keynote presentation over on the left-hand side here, and you get that ready to play. So that'll go full screen. And whatever's on this screen here shows up as your picture-in-picture over here. And with the control panel, we're able to change the position of the picture-in-picture. There's 5 different positions, and it just rotates, cycles through those positions. If you want to plug your own laptop in instead and use that, you can hit presentation source, and it swaps between those two presentation sources. You can pick your background by hitting the background selection button, and you can cycle through all the available backgrounds that are in the system. You can pick your watermark for branding, whether it's a school or a company, to have that up in the corner. If you're presenting without a presentation, you can easily turn the presentation off, and it removes the picture-in-picture. So those are some of the basic functions that we have here. We also have a camera position button that changes up the camera position and the focal length depending on how tall the presenter is. So right now, I'm happy with the way this is laid out. I'm going to step back here. So you can see I've got a microphone up here that's pointed directly at me. It's microphone placement is really important for good audio, as many of you know. So in an installation, this would be set up in a small 10 by 12 room. And the beauty is that this can go into a room with no special infrastructure. The lights and the microphone hang from a drop ceiling grid, and it only requires a single 15 to 20 amp power circuit to run the entire system. So I'm standing in front of the digital light board, which is great. It allows you to write and draw directly over the live video. And let's say I'm ready to start my presentation, so I'm going to hit the floor button. I get a recording countdown, which you can see here. And when that goes down, the recording light comes on the system, so it's very clear when the system is recording. So that's a nice feature. So I can go through my presentation here. I can click through my slides. I can write and draw right over the top of my presentation. So anywhere on this video canvas, I can write or draw. I can make arrows. I can change out colors really easily. Yellow you can't see too well. How about green? There we go. So super interactive, super easy to use. When I'm done with my presentation, I hit the floor button again. The recording stops, as you can see, and my file has now been copied to the presentation system over here. So if I open up my recordings folder, you can see all the recordings we've done at the show here. Now if I want to easily review my recording, I just hit the review button on the control panel. It plays back the recording that I just did, and I can watch it, I can listen to it. If I'm happy with it, that's great. I can drag and drop my file into whatever online content management system I'm using, OneDrive, Panopto, Kaltura, whatever the case may be. So if I need a refresher on how the system works, I can hit the demo button, and it'll just play a 60-second demonstration of how the system works. So what makes this unique is that it's just so easy to use that even a technophobe can come in and in just a few minutes figure out how the system works, and they can create a professional level video presentation. And the system actually shuts itself down at night, boots itself up again in the morning, and it's just, the ease of use is really unparalleled. So that's the One Button Studio Pro. Any additional questions, you can reach out to us on our website, onebuttonstudio.info. So thanks for watching.